This is an old computer, almost like 9 years old computer, and this phone panel USB are not working properly. So I will change it with this USB B type, sorry, USB 2 type ports. So I'm gonna change this and this with this. This is a big USB 2 type port. You can see this is the USB 2 type port. Yes, let me zoom in. This is a 2 type port. Somehow I able to take out this phone panel USB. As you can see, I have to remove the hard disk from here. Now I'm gonna desolder it and solder the new ones. This one I'm gonna change it with this one. Yep. I just finished soldering this one and this one. As you can see, I solder it. This too. Now I'm gonna fix it, put it to here, this hole. Fitting is completed. As you can see, these two are new. As you can see, it's working properly. The pen drive is working properly. This is the blank skin. Now I'll insert it like this. You can see the pen drive working properly. Thank you.